Hello everybody. Today we discuss about taxonomic categories. Classification is not a single step process but involves hierarchy of steps in which each step represents a rank or category. Since the category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement, it is called the taxonomic category and all categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. Each category referred to as unit of classification in fact represents a rank and is commonly termed as taxon. Taxonomic categories and hierarchy can be illustrated by an example. Insects represents a group of organisms sharing common features like three pairs of jointed legs. It means classification is not a single step process but involves hierarchy of steps in which each step represents a rank or category. Since the category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement, then it is called the taxonomic category and all categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. Each category referred to as the unit of classification in fact represents a rank and is commonly termed as taxon. So, the first one is a species, the most specific category organisms that can interbreed. Taxonomic studies consider a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as a species. One should be able to distinguish one species from the other closely related species based on the distinct morphological differences. Let us consider Mangifera indica, Solanum tuberosum that is potato and Panthera leo that is lion. All the three names indica, tuberosum and leo represent the specific epithets, while the first word Mangifera, Solanum and Panthera are genera and represents another higher level of taxon or category. Each genus may have one or more than one specific epithets representing different organisms but having morphological similarities. For example, Panthera has another specific epithet called the tigris, and Solanum includes species like Nigrum and Melongena. Human beings belong to the species Sapiens, which is grouped in the genus Homo. The scientific name thus for human being is written as Homo sapiens. The second one is genus. Genus comprises a group of related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. We can say that genera are aggregates of closely related species. Third one is a family. The next category, family, has a group of related genera with still less number of similarities as compared to genus and species. Families are characterized on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive features of plant species. Among plants, for example, three different genera, Solanum, Petunia, and Datura, are placed in the family Solanaceae. Fourth one is the order. You have seen earlier that categories like species, genus, and families are based on the number of similar characters. Generally, order and other higher taxonomic categories are identified based on the aggregates of characters, order being a higher category. The similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in a family. The animal order Carnivora includes families like Felidae and Canidae. Fifth one is a class. This category includes related orders. For example, order Primata comprising monkey, gorilla and gibbon is placed in class Mammalia along with the order Carnivora that includes animals like tiger, cat and dog. Class Mammalia has other orders also. Sixth one is a phylum. Classes comprising animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals, constitute the higher taxonomic category called phylum. All these based on the common features like presence of notochord and dorsal hollow neural system are included in phylum Chordata. In case of plants, classes with a few similar characters are assigned to a higher category called division. So, seventh one is a kingdom. All animals belonging to various phyla are assigned to the highest category called kingdom Animalia in the classification system of animals. The kingdom Plantae, on the other hand, is distinct and comprises all plants from various divisions. Henceforth, we will refer to these two groups as animal and plant kingdoms. However, taxonomists have also developed subcategories in the hierarchy to facilitate more sound and scientific placement of various taxa. Higher the category, greater is the difficulty of determining the relationship to other taxa at the same level. Hence, the problem of classification becomes more complex. This is a table which indicates the taxonomic categories to which some common organisms like housefly, man, mango, and wheat belong to. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and support the channel for more information.